Sport management is the marketing, the organizational behavior, the strategy. We can use sport to leverage all of these things.
It's essentially a business and communications degree focused in sport. So it really just combined everything that I loved in an academic setting.
It's small and tight-knit. When the opportunity came to transfer to Michigan and be a part of the sport management program, it was all too much to even turn down.
What we train students to understand is sport has never only been about action on the field. It's leveraging sport in other ways.
We've worked very hard at trying to examine what all is involved in the various industries in which students will work.
We are research intensive, so we make sure that the students have the theory behind it, that they understand the research. They know when they go into the corporate world, it's a lot of team work and team-based projects, so they learn to engage with one another and they benefit from diversity of experience, diversity of ideas.
Some of the projects that we do in my sponsorship class is to actually have students to work on the real life projects.
It's a very real-world hands-on experience, and whether that's through case studies, projects, or guest speakers, there's always a new way to learn.
We have a sport management advisory board. It's basically team owners, industry leaders, etc., and we have panel discussions. You're sitting in on conversations about the future of the industry with the industry leaders.
Working with the advisory board not only help us to enhance our curriculum, but also we are using their network to provide more internship opportunities for our students.
This summer, I am going to be working in New York City at the NFL League office.
I'll be interning at Creative Artists Agency in Los Angeles.
I actually this summer will be working with Miami Dolphins in their entertainment and brand impact department.
We have students from all over the world, and then we package that with all of the resources that the University of Michigan offers. And we have services, opportunities, and experiences that are second to none.
We're working with prestigious faculty who are experts in their field, who are consulting on top of being a professor.
They really are one of the most valuable tools you'll have while you're a student at Michigan, and they really do care about you and your success.
We have 5 student organizations, which allows each student to try to find themselves in the industry.
So it's a really valuable opportunity for our students to potentially engage in leadership roles.
Getting involved with these organizations is what takes it to the next level of making those connections with the people you'll be working alongside one day, and just to really, it gives you that resume experience that you need to work in the industry, which is really powerful.
Our students end up in a variety of different career paths in the sport industry, graduate programs, in business, a law school.
Our alumni are part of the best network in sports.
And they want to help see young Michigan and sport management professionals grow.
Sport management is really great about internship preparation, career fair preparation. There's really no reason, that you walk out of here and you don't have all those things covered.
We have one of the most prestigious athletic departments in all of college sports and well respected, and there's very few names on a resume that scream leaders and best like U of M athletics.
Within the sport management program, all of the opportunities to get involved, to work with the athletic department, to work with all these incredible leading minds in the industry who come into class and teach you themselves, it just couldn't be beat by any other school.
We could actually put our own list together of the 40 under 40 that are going to change the sport business, and we would do that all UM sport management graduates.